morning, students. So briefly I have told in the last class about minor. So what is a minor? Again we will recall it. What is a minor? Minor is nothing but the determinant obtained after deleting particular row or particular column. So minor of an element is given by the determinant after deleting that particular row and particular column. I will give some examples. So minor of order 2, say for example k equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. What is minor of 1? Minor of 1 is, okay, minor of 1 is determinant of 4, which is nothing but 4. Same way, minor of 2 is 3. Minor of 2 is 3. Minor of 3 is 2. Minor of 4 is 1. So it is a determinant obtained after deleting that particular one column. So minor of 1. Minor of 1 means if you want to take minor of 1, don't consider this row, this column. So it is 4. Determinant of 4 is 4 only. Same way, minor of 2 is 3 only. So don't consider this row, this column for 2. So remaining 3. Like that it will go on. That is minor of these elements of order 2. Of order 2. Let us see about order 3 matrices. Again I will give an example. Say A equal to 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, minus 3, 4, 2, 3. Something like this. What is minor of 1 then? Minor of 1 equal to determinant of 8 minus 3 to 3. So again we take 1, then don't consider that row, that column. So remaining determinant 8 minus 3 to 3. So simplify. This is 24 minus 6. So 24 plus 6. So 24 like this minus like this. You know that method. So 24 minus will be plus 6. So 30. This is minor of 1. Again what is minor of 5? Minor of 5. What is this? So if you take 5, minor of 5, if you take minor of 5 is, so don't consider this row as well as this column. So what is remaining? Remaining is determinant of 7 minus 3, then 4 and 3. 7 minus 3, 4 and 3. 7 minus 3, 4 and 3. So what it is? Calculate again. So this is 21 plus 12. So 33. So 21 like this minus 12. So it will be plus. So it is 33. So this is how minor is calculated. Okay. Next, cofactor. What is a cofactor? So next topic is cofactor. Cofactor is calculated like this. For example, cofactor minor of 1 is 4. Minor of 1 is 4. So cofactor of 1. What is cofactor of 1? This example. Cofactor of 1 in this example. So equal to, see you have to take minus like this equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, row number, column number, into minor. So this is nothing but 4 only. Now again, what about cofactor of next element 2? Cofactor of 2. What is this? Cofactor of 2 means this is equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2, second column. into minor, so into minor means 3 into 3 into minor equal to 3. That is nothing but this is minus sign, minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2. So it is odd number means minus, negative, so it is minus 3. So cofactor is here minus 3, whereas minus is 3. So generalization for cofactor means, so cofactor generalization means minus 1 to the power I plus j into minor. Say I will call minor as mij. So mij stands for here minor. So m11, say for example, stands for minor the first element, in the sense first row, first column element. That is m11. So what is that? Cofactor minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, m11. So generalization is minus 1 to the power I plus j, mij, where mij means minor. Again I told you minor means the determinant obtained by deleting that particular row and particular column. So that is cofactor minus 1 to the power I plus j, mij. So this way you can find out minor and cofactors. Next topic is adjoint of a matrix. What is adjoint? Adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix. Adjoint of a matrix. What is adjoint of a matrix? It is like this. We will generalize it first. Then I will give examples. First I will generalize. So if A equal to say A11, A12, A21, A22, then adjoint of A, denoted by, it is denoted like this, ADJ, denoted by ADJ, denoted as adjoint of A, equal to A11, A12, A21, A22 transpose. A11, A12, A21, its transpose. So what is A11 here? A11 means, A11 stands for, is a cofactor of A11. You already see now. What is cofactor of A11? Derivative A11. That is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 A11. Cofactor of A11 means minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 M11 into M11. What is M11? Minor of the first element. First row, first column element. So A11 means cofactor of A11. Capital A11 means cofactor of A11. Similarly, A12 means cofactor of A12. Like this it will go on. So what is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is if A equal to A1, A12, A21, A22, then adjoint of A equal to A11, A12 transpose. I mean A11, A12, A21, A22. This matrix, its transpose you will take. So take the transpose of the cofactor matrix. Take the transpose of the matrix obtained by the cofactors. Cofactors of the given elements in the matrix. One example I will give you. Let me explain with an example. Order 2, you know. Order 2. Say that A equal to 1 we consider 1 2 3 4. Okay, A equal to 1 2 3 4. So what is minor? First we calculate minor. So what is minor? Minor of 1. I mean element 1. Okay, what is minor of 1? We denote it as a M11 equal to 4. Determinant of 4 is 4. Told you already. There is no change. Similarly, what is minor of the element 2? Minor of 2 is M12 equal to 3. Minor of 3 equal to M21. Second row, first column element equal to 2. Last one, minor of 4, M22 equal to 1. So this is about minor. So minor of 1 is 4, minor of 2 is 3, minor of 3 is 2, minor of 4 is 1. So like this, minor is calculated. So from here, what are the cofactors? So cofactor of 1. So this implies cofactor of 1 equal to minus 1 to the power row number 1, column number 1, M11 equal to 4. Same way, cofactor of the other element, cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 2. What is cofactor of 2? Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 M12. So it is a minus sign now. It is minus 3. It is minus 3. Next one again, cofactor of the element 3. Say 3. Next element 3. So what is that? Equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1. Second row, first column. M21 equal to, it is nothing but minus 2. There is minus sign, minus plus sign check. Last one. So what is this? Minor of the element 4. Minor of the element 4 equal to, okay, you have 1. So what is cofactor? Cofactor of the element 4. Cofactor of 4 equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2. Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, M22. So what is that? Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, M22 equal to, so this is minus 1 to the power 4. So that is plus 1 only. So this is also 1. So this is okay. Now what is then? So this is what you want, cofactor. So what is adjoint of this? Therefore adjoint of A equal to, I will write here, therefore adjoint of A equal to, so like this you take cofactors, cofactors are 4 minus 3 minus 2 1, minus 2 1. It's transpose. So transpose, see, adjoint of A equal to cofactors transpose matrix. You have like this A11, A12, A21, A22. Take its transpose. So transpose of the cofactor matrix. Transpose of the cofactor matrix. That is adjoint of A. So you have 4 minus 3 minus 2 1 transpose. So that is nothing but, so this is nothing but 4 minus 2. Okay, or 4 minus 3, either way. First row will become first column. 4 minus 3 minus 2 1. So this is adjoint for second order. Adjoint matrix for second order. Adjoint of matrix for second order. 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. Now we are observing here, for a second order matrix, what you have observed now? So A equal to 1 2 3 4 means we have got adjoint of A equal to 4 minus 2 minus 3 1. So actually you can easily find out what is the adjoint of a matrix of order 2. For order 2, it is very easy, it is direct. How it is? Observe here, 1 4 here. So 4 and 1 are in between 1 here. 1 4 here. Diagonal elements 1 4 4 1. So diagonal elements are interchanged. Next 2 here minus 2 here, 3 here minus 3 here. So easy to remember. So what is the change here? 2 becomes minus 2, 3 becomes minus 3. So change the sign for these elements. Change the sign for these elements. So one thing is what you will do? Interchange the elements, diagonal elements. Interchange the diagonal elements. Easy, students. Remember, for adjoint of order 2, easy calculation. You can directly write how it is interchange. So 1 4 becomes 4 1. Then 2 becomes minus 2, 3 becomes minus 3, like that. So change the sign of these elements. Suppose if it is minus 2, for example, if it is minus 2, adjoint will become plus 2. So change the sign, that's all. 5 is minus 5 for these elements. So easy for a second order. Okay. Third order, you have to do the calculation one by one. So what is, now we go to the third order, same thing. So if you have third order, say A equal to A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. This is the matrix A of third order. Then adjoint of A. Again, take the cofactors transposing. So what is adjoint of A? Adjoint of A is given by A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Transpose. It's transpose. So transpose of cofactor matrix. I mean matrix obtained by the cofactors of the elements. That is this one, adjoint of A. Where A11 is same. A11 is cofactor of A11. A12 cofactor of A12. A13 cofactor of A13. Element, small element. A1 on capital I, just to distinguish. A1 means cofactor of the first element, A11. A12 cofactor of A12. Like this it will go on. You take the problem now of order 3. 2 is easy. 2 means easy. You see about 3 now. Problem. Find the adjoint of adjoint of 1 minus 2 3. 1 minus 2 3. Next 0 to 1. 0 to 1. 1 minus 2 3. 0 to 1. Minus 4 5. Minus 4 5 2. So find the adjoint of 1 minus 2 3. 0 to 1. Minus 4 5 2. So again same method. So answer is like this. Let A, we call it as A. Okay, let A equal to doesn't matter. You write it again 1 minus 2 3. Next 0 to 1 minus 4 5 2 minus 4 5 2. Now adjoint of A, then adjoint of A equal to, so it is nothing but we write like this: A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33 transpose. So where A11 is what? Cofactor of first element. Where A11 is cofactor of 1. Cofactor of 1. Similarly, A12, A12 is cofactor of what? minus 2, etc. and so on. Please understand. So A11 means cofactor of 1. A12 means cofactor of -2, etc. Now what is required? We will calculate the cofactor of all these elements. So what is cofactor of 1? Now you can call it as equation 1. We will substitute later. It is 1. Okay. Now what is cofactor of 1? Cofactor of 1. First element is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, it is plus sign only. Understood? M11 equal to minus 1 to the power M11 minor. So what is that? Minor for 1 means you will take 2 1 5 remaining into 2 1 5 2. So calculate it. This is plus sign, minus 1 to the power 2. Okay, minus 1 whole square. M11. So determinant of 2 1 5 2 remaining 2 1 5 2. What is this? 2 into 2 4. 4 minus 5 minus 1. 2 into 4. 4 minus 5 minus 1. This is plus sign. So this is minus 1. Like this you have to calculate cofactor of the elements. Cofactor of minus 2 equal to minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 M12 equal to minus 1 to the 1 plus 2. This is nothing but minus sign. So minus M12 is what? It is minus sign. Okay. This is plus sign. Minus 1 whole square means plus 1. Remember. So minus, this is minus sign. Odd number, power odd number means minus. Even number means plus. Easy to remember. So minus M12. M12 means you are considering this element. This element minus. So what is the remaining? 0 1 minus 4 2. 0 1 minus 4 2. 0 1 minus 4 2. So this is what? 0 1 minus 4 2. So this is 0 only, 0 minus 4 into 1. So minus 4. Minus minus will become plus. So minus 4 into 8. Okay, next one. Cofactor of 3. Next, cofactor of 3. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3. M13. Cofactor of 3. So minus 1 to the power 1 plus 3. M13. That is minus 1 to the power plus 3 is plus sign. So plus M13. So what is M13? M13 means take this. So 0 2 minus 4 5. 0 2 minus 4 5. All simple calculation only. 0 2 minus 4 5. So what is this? Minus 4 5. So this is nothing but 0. This is 4 into 8, but minus sign is there. Already one more minus is there. So plus 8. Next one, same way, cofactor of 0. Cofactor of 0. Cofactor of 0 is how much? Cofactor of 0 is So minus 1 to the power 2 3 plus 1, no, second row, sorry, second row first column equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1, second row first column. Okay, m21 second row first column. So this is minus sign into determinant of what? Determinant of, so here this element you are taking, so I am taking this one. So 0 means what is the remaining? Minus 2 3 5. So this row don't consider, this column don't consider, so remaining is minus 2 3 5, minus 2 3 5 2. So what is this? This is minus 2 into 2 minus 4, minus 4 minus 15 minus 19 minus 19 minus 9. So plus 19. Calculation you can do easily. Next one, cofactor of, like this you will calculate all the remaining ones. Cofactor of 2 equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, second row second column, m22. So what is that? Minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 m22 equal to, this is plus sign. What about the other one, m22 means, so don't consider this, 1 3 minus 4 2, 1 3 minus 4 2, 1 3 minus 4 2. This is nothing but 2. 1 into 2 is 2. 4 into 3 12. So 2 plus 12 it will be 14. Next one, cofactor of 1 equal to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 3 m23. So it is minus sign. Cofactor of 1 means you will take determinant of 1 minus 2 minus 4 5. 1 minus 2 4 5. Check it. 1 minus 2 1 determinant this one. So 1 minus 2 minus 4 5. Okay. 1 minus 2 minus 4 5. What is this? 1 into 5 is 5. Minus 4 into minus 2. Minus 4 into minus 2 is plus 8. So 5 minus 8 is minus 3. So it will become plus 3. Calculation only. 5 minus 8. It is minus 3, but minus sign is there. Next one, cofactor of the next number 4. Sorry, minus 4. Cofactor of minus 4 equal to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 1. Third row first column. m31. This is plus sign. What is m31? So minus 4. So remaining is minus 2 3 2 1. Minus 2 3 2 1. Check it. Minus 2 3 2 1. So it is equal to, this is plus sign. So minus 2 minus sign. 2 into 3 6. Minus 2 minus 6 minus 8. Next one, cofactor of 5. Cofactor of 5 minus 1 3 plus 2 m32. So it's minus sign. So minus 1 to the 3 plus 2 m32. What is m32? M32 means 1301. Remaining consider 1301. Determinant of 1301 is nothing but 1 only. This is 0 only. So minus 1. Last one, cofactor of 2. Cofactor of 2 equal to minus 1 to the power 3 plus 3 m33. This is plus sign. What is m33? M33 means 1 minus 2 0 2. 1 minus 2. Okay. 1 minus 2 0 2. 1 minus 2 0 2. So this is nothing but 0 into 1 to 2. This is 0. So it is plus 2. Therefore, substituting in one equation. So what is the joint of A? The joint of A equal to, so substitute all the values. All values are available. Substitute them. Okay. Substitute them. What are the values? Here. The joint of A. One by one you have to substitute. First one. Yeah. -1, -4, 8. -1, -4, 8. Next. -1, -4, 8. Next. 19, 14, 3. 19, 14. Last one. -8, -1, 2. It's transpose. Take the transpose of that. So that is nothing but, so -1, -4, 8, -1, -4, 8. First row will become first column. 19, 14, 3. 19, 14, 3. First row will become first column. Second row will become second column. Third row will become third column. -8, -1, 2. This is the joint of the given matrix. So calculation only you have to be careful. That's all. Method is same. So here, so what is it? Given matrix, the joint of A is transpose of the cofactor matrix. You know how to get cofactor. Cofactor means, so -1 to the power I plus j into mij, where mij is the minor of the element aij. Minor of the element aij. So this is how it is calculated. So sign also here -1 to the power. This is plus sign, next minus plus. That will go like this only. Minus plus like that only. For that you can check that for the sign for all this. So easy method I told you already. So sign how you can get. This is plus sign minus plus. This method you can apply always. Minus plus minus order 3. Next plus minus plus. So -1 to the power I plus j will get like this. So remaining some more problems for this we will see in the next session. Okay, let's go through it. We'll understand it. Okay, thank you.